The triangle XYZ in figure 1 has XY is 6, YZ is 9, and ZX is 4, but angle ZXY is alpha. The point W lies on the line XY. The circular arc ZW in figure 1 is a major arc of the circle with center X and radius 4. Show that to three significant figures alpha is equal to 2.22 radians. Find the area in centimeters squared of the major sector XZWX. Find the region enclosed by the major arc ZW of the circle and the lines WY and YZ is shown shaded in figure 1. Calculate the area of this shaded region and the perimeter ZWYZ of this shaded region. Okay, so let's have a look at this then. So first of all, we've got a triangle here with three sides and we don't know the angle alpha. We can use the cosine rule. So part A here. Well, here's the formula. A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. That's just the standard form that one can remember it in. Move the cos A over. With the 2BC, of course, becomes a plus. Leave the B squared and C squared as is. Move the A squared over to be with it, minus A squared. And then the 2BC that you've moved over to be here in our mind's eye, bring it underneath. So now we can work out this triangle then. So 2 squared, A is the angle. So this is A, this is B, this is C, so to speak. So it's B squared plus C squared. So 16, 4 squared, 6 squared is 36, minus 9 squared is 81, over 2b, which is 4, and c is 6. 2 times 4 times 6. 4 sixes are 24, and it's 2 times 24. So we end up with then 36, 46, 52. Take away 82 would be minus 30. So it's minus 29, one less. And then over 48. So that's cos A. 52 minus 81. 51 minus 30 plus 1 is minus 29 over 48. So shift cos. We're in radians mode. So let's go to mode radians, number 4. So in radians mode, shift cos of minus 29 divided by 48, close brackets, equals 2.2 radians. Well, let's go back here a minute. 2195 radians, which equals 2.2 radians to one decimal place. Okay, that's part A then. Find the area XZWZ. XZWX, is that? Presumably. Let's go back to the question. Have a quick look. XZWX. So I need to sorry about that, just change that here. So we need to find the XZWX, this angle, this area here. There's the angle it subtends. The area of a whole circle is pi r squared. So pi r squared is equal to 2 pi r squared over 2. So you can see the formula is half r squared theta. This is the whole circle. So it's a half r squared theta is the area of the sector. So area is equal to half r squared times theta. We just got it from the general formula. So that's equal to, the radius is 4. So it's a half 4 squared times theta, which would be 2 pi minus 2.2. what I'll do is I'll move this down slightly so we've got a bit more room here, so it doesn't get confused. So it's minus 2.2195 half r squared theta. There we go. So it's 8 times this number, 2 pi minus 2.2195. So here it is here. So that's the answer then. So it would be 2 times pi minus the answer that we had before equals 4.0636 times 8 times that by 8 equals 32.5093. 32.5093, which is equal to 32.5 to 1 decimal place centimeters squared. Part C now, find the shaded area. Okay. Well, we found this sector here, haven't we? And the triangle. We need to find the half BC sine A is the area. Half BC sine alpha. See? Area will equal 32.5093, the area from before. Then it's half BC sine A, so it's 4 times 6 times sine of the angle 2.2195, and so on, wasn't it? So we got that number in here. What does that say? 4 half BC sine. Okay. So 4 sixes is 24 over 2 is 12. So it's this plus 12 lots of sine. So plus 12 times the sine of 2.2195 and so on. Close bracket. Should be more than enough accuracy. 42.07. So it's 42.1. 42.1 centimeters squared. And that was to 1 decimal place. So that's the area of the shaded region then. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay. So the perimeter of the shaded region, this length here is 9. The only thing is, what is this length here? Well, that would be 2. So we've got 9 plus 2, because this radius was 4, and then this circumference here, this arc length here, which is, okay, D, perimeter is equal to 9 plus the 2 plus, now the circumference is 2 pi r, isn't it, for a whole circle, so it's r theta plus r times the angle theta. The angle theta was 2.2195 and the radius is 4. So let's work that out then. So it's 11 plus 4 times 2.2195 equals 19.878. So it's 19.9 centimeters. Notice again to 1 decimal place. So I've just double checked this thing, and there's one slight error here with the perimeter, because it wasn't this angle, was it? It's the major arc angle, which would be 8 pi minus this. So I just put that in, 8 pi minus that, minus 2.2195, close bracket, and then we need to just tap that in the calculator. So it's 11 plus 4 times 11 plus 4 times bracket 8 times pi minus the 2.2195, because that's the angle of the major arc. I was working on the minor arc. So let's just see what's up here. minus 4 times 8 pi, 11 plus 4 times. It's 2 pi here, which I shall get right, because it is a total of 8 pi, isn't it? Equals 27.2547, which is 27.3, isn't it? 27.3, and that's to 1 decimal place. That's better.